Hi guys, it's Gregor here from Greg's Court. Usually you would hear from me about the basketball, you will get some basketball videos, but obviously right now the European Soccer Championship is under the way. So I was in doubt about how we're gonna deal with our names, with our national team names, 'cause they are quite difficult to pronounce. So here you go, I will help you with this. So the letters ch, sh, and ž are all common in Slovenian names. But the Slovenian c is more like c than an English language c. A Slovenian y is similar to an English y. Yeah. Anyway, let's go through the names. So Jure Balkovec, Vid Belec, Jaka Bijol, Miha Blažič, Žan Celar, Vanja Drkušić. This one is tough, right? One more time. Vanja Drkušić. Timi Max Elšnik, Adam Gnezda Čerin, Jon Gorenc Stanković, Josip Iličić, Erik Janža, Žan Karničnik, Benjamin Šeško, probably the best player in our team right now and the most popular one. So once again, Benjamin Šeško, Andraž Šporar, Benjamin Verbič, Adrian Zelkovic, and Nino Žugel. And the coach of the national team, Matjaž Kek. So tell me, who are you cheering for? Slovenia, my country? Comment down below and comment, of course, if I've been in any help at all. Let's go, Slovenia.